The killing of a policeman, allegedly by a man of unsound mind, has raised fresh concerns about the treatment of homeless people who linger on the streets. Eyewitnesses say the policeman was walking along King Street in Linstead St. Catherine when he was hit by the man. Kirk Wright has the details.
Constable Paul Gordon had just left work and was walking along King Street in Linstead when he was hit on the head with a stone, allegedly by a homeless man. The policeman was attached to the Linstead police station. We understand that the police subsequently apprehended the man inside the Linstead market. He was fatally shot. We have been told that many complaints were made to the Linstead police station about the violent nature of the homeless man. MP for Eastern St. Catherine and spokesperson on local government and community development, Dennis Daly, says the man was no stranger to the police.
This man has been reported over and over again about the danger that he really posed. In the street, everybody gets, either some people get a slap from him, some people he chased some people, he stoned some people. He has been creating nothing but havoc on the street. Why was he not taken off? Many reports went up to the station.
Councillor for the Linstead division says concerns were also raised to the hospital and clinic.
I don't know when the authorities, the state, is going to realize that these people who are on the street who are mentally challenged are to be taken off the street.
A woman who did not want to speak on camera says the homeless man has been creating havoc in Linstead.
From last year, him coming to Linstead. From last year, him come, him get beer trouble, pure trouble. Him broke one old woman and he lit down one pregnant woman, make she lose her baby. And nothing no come out of it, they don't do nothing about it. And now him come take a police life.
Ms. Daly admitted she too may have fallen short in doing more to care for the homeless.
I feel very sad and somewhat guilty because probably if I did do a little bit more, we probably would have had some medical personnel to come out here.
Meanwhile, the Police Federation chairman, Corporal Rohan James, says while the rank and file members mourn the death of Constable Paul Gordon, an appeal is being made for more attention to be paid to homeless people.
The Federation is urging the government to see to it that the persons who are on the street of unsound mind, that they are given due regard and attention and the assistance necessary so as to prevent any such reoccurrence like what has transpired today. It's a rather unfortunate situation that is untenable and requires the sort of hands-on approach, notwithstanding the limited resources that the state might have.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.